I am your host for tonight, Yang, and tonight we'll be completing the long-awaited trilogy of me making the Made in China version of Facebook. Now, this was originally intended to be a phone app, that I could use with my friends, but apparently, if it takes Mark Zuckerberg and 4 friends 2 weeks to make something, it's pretty much impossible for one 14-year-old to make it in a week, with a total of 3 hours of work time. Consequently, I have scaled down my goals, and today we are just going to be making this. Now, oh wait, let me check if that extra view thing is on. Yep, it is on. Oh wait, let me see my live chat. There we go, okay. My live chat watcher is on. There we go, okay. Oh, gotta mute. My live chat watcher is on. Let me just tell my friends that I'm streaming. Okay. So now, actually, in remaking this thing, it's actually pretty simple because I'm good with HTML and CSS. I'm just not good with everything that's important. So this should be a pretty easy thing, especially considering that I've done most of the work already. Check this out. Let me just open in browser for you guys. So we're trying to replicate this, and I think I've been doing a pretty good job with this. I've come with this so far, but the problem we have right now is, you see this? That is supposed to, wait, no, open Safari and then this, right. That is information is supposed to display this way, alright? I am supposed to have the field here, and then the information here, but instead, I don't know how to do that, so I just settle for usual P element, paragraph element, and then had this scuff thing. That sucks. That's why tonight we're going to be fixing this. Also, we're going to be adding more fields. Actually, I think I should cut down on some of the fields though, because I don't know how to build a database. I'm planning to make a MySQL database to store all of the information that's going to be on this site. So we might consider cutting down some of these fields. But first, we're just going to put everything that's in here. And also, we're going to be making a neat little header. I want a background to make a good background image for the header. And that's pretty much it. We're going to make it look like this as much as possible, and then start linking it to the database and making you able to friend other people and see other people's profiles. Alright, so first starting with this. Now I think it could be pretty easily done if we made a div and then put one P element on, and okay, if we make one div with two div elements into it, and we make the outer div, give the outer div display flex, and then have the area inside the div split between two divs. Then in the first div we put the field, and on the second div we put the information. That would be pretty easy. But I'm wondering if that's using way too many divs, considering the sheer amount of divs I already have in here. Take a look at this. How many layers of divs is this, okay? You know what, let's go to the, actually open the browser and inspect pages, inspect element. It's easier for you guys to see it this way. So let's take this image thing, alright? Where's that? Okay, here. Where's this? Yeah, status column, and then here's the image. Here, okay. Check out this image. Guess how many layers of divs is wrapped in? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 layers. So this is wrapping 5 layers too, which means if we use the method I just thought of, we would have 7 layers. Is that an unacceptable number of layers? You see, well, to be honest, I'm not actually very concerned about this, because I know I'm going to turn all of these huge amount of divs into React elements layer. I never have to worry about them again, but it's still really cluttered code. Also, it is neat. Oh yeah, one issue we have to solve even before we do this, because for some reason this is sticking out, and apparently it's because of this my account preferences thing. Wait, actually, you know what? I don't actually know what I'm gonna put there, so let's just delete this for now and forget about it. Yeah, there we go. See, image has the right margin again. And how many viewers do we have now? 1. Okay, my friends hasn't come yet, but they'll come. I know they'll come. They always come. Good old friends. And I think because they are also my colleagues in the streaming world, they will sympathize with my need for extra viewers. Okay, so we do this. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna go with that approach. But just to be safe, I'm gonna duplicate this file and make another version with the approach that I just talked about. Because I might think of a neater way to do this later, and I do not want to have to go through the code and then delete everything that I wrote. So I'm just gonna make a new version. So I'm just gonna duplicate this. And there we go. Open. Right. Exactly the same as before. Double click index.html, double click style.css, preview the index.html. My work environment is set up. Let's go. Okay, so right now we put all of this data in the profile div content. Profile div content div. And let's see. Right, we want a div. Okay, now what? Let's make a class first, okay? Where do we put it? We want to put in the information. Alright, okay, this part of the status thing. In case you guys didn't know, this is one big div with 2 little divs in it. Also, same format as I intend to implement these p elements. So, I put the CSS for the status, which is what I call this first section, on top of the CSS for the information section, which is what I call that part. So let's just move it up to the part. Yeah, there we go. And status option, is that right? Yes. Okay, now what I need is profile. What should we call this class? Profile. Wait a minute. Wait, profile. Oh, profiles for the whole thing? Oh, I messed up big time. But it'll be easy to fix. So we take this, delete, and put here. Well, it's pretty amazing how little that changes my website. I might be using some unnecessary code here, but never mind. Wait, is this still running? No, we need this to keep running. I'm gonna think aloud while the view from this tab registers here. So let's see. Right, we're gonna have to make a class with display flex, and that's pretty much it. All right, let's go. Wait, why is it one viewer? Why is it one viewer? I know. I have 2 tabs open here. Twitch should be registering 2 viewers. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. All right. So info, right. Let's make the class. Yes, what do we call it again? Info field. No, that's the one for the parts of the p element on the left. No, we want something that encompasses the 2. Info section. No. Well, actually, I think the whole thing is called a field, right? And the first is the key, and the second is the content. Okay, I don't know. You know what? Let's just call it the field. Okay. So info field, right? It's gonna be display flex. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. Let's go. Alright, we make a div class equals info field. I'll just put this in here. Oh wait, want this to be above. That's actually because that's just one line, you know, one field of code, one p element, so we don't need to add, we don't need to put that, separate that from anything else. What we need to put is this, right? Huh. Evil laugh. We're about to do something big. So we split this into two elements, right? Wait, oh no, I forgot. Slash p, yes. And then this is another p, and we have pp, two p's. Then we put this down here to make it neat. And so I gave it display equals flex. Now we need to give each of these class equals info field section. Is that a good name? That sounds a really scuffed name to me. Oh yeah, forgot to write the usual POG. In case you guys don't know, in case my loyal viewers don't know, I write a POG at the beginning of every stream, and I suggest you do too. It helps with analytics. Also, if you're watching this stream as a VOD and haven't followed me yet, please consider doing so. It's very helpful to my ego and it's completely free. Yikes, my live chat reader isn't working. Oh, why is there no internet? Okay, there's internet. Oh good, okay, it's working again. Nothing to worry about, folks. Just a temporary intermission. Temporary technical error. Okay, wait, should I make this with p at all? Yeah, div and then p, right? Yeah, wait, div. Okay, dot info field p. Yeah, that's the perfect way to define it. Okay, dot info field p. There we go. Professional CSS class selecting. And what do I give this, right? Width. Okay, flex. 1. There. Perfect. Is that how Mark Zuckerberg did it? No, it's much closer. Okay, what if I give name flex 0 point something? And by the way, if I squeeze this, oh wait, I set this div to not change area, so actually it won't give that squishy feeling that Flexbox sometimes gives you. That's great. I don't like that, to be honest. So that's good news. Then we can just set it to flex equals 0.2, 0.3 maybe. Yeah, that's looking a lot more like old Facebook. Okay, maybe 0.4. I really wonder how Mark Zuckerberg wrote all of this code, program all of this without the modern HTML and CSS stuff. What tools did he have available at the time? I remember I read something about him coding with PHP, right? So I guess it's PHP and HTML. I don't know. I'm gonna do some research on that later, but for now, let's focus on this. Looking pretty good. Now let's do that for all of the fields which I've written. Yeesh. Whew. It's gonna be kind of slow, folks. Buckle up. I think it'll take a good 10 minutes. But don't leave that fast, okay? I want your views, and I'll have some juicy content coming up. I promise. Nice, that works. Okay, what now? Oh hey, 3 viewers. Has my good friend Falcon finally come online? Write POG in chat if you're Falcon. Write POG in chat if you're Falcon. Third viewer. Actually, if you're one of these folks, well, welcome back to the stream, I guess. You're a regular viewer. I appreciate that very much. You don't know how much I appreciate regular viewers. It's a wonderful thing to have regular viewers. Okay, and they left. Okay. They're obviously not one of my regular viewers. Alright. Now, I noticed that I've given it flex 0.4 and So it's making this spacing very neat, but unfortunately, it's also restricting the space which the text can be in. That's not something I want. I want to stretch all the way here. So actually, I think I'm just going to give, oh no, but then I'll have to write extra classes for each of the divs in here. You know what? Look, I'm just gonna do this for all of these fields, and then we'll think about what to do about the small spaces. Right, Control C, Control V. Classic programmer words. Last update. September 18, 2022, because I'm a regular BroNet user. Not surprising considering that I'm the founder. Hee. I think that's what famous people say, funny people say when they say something like that. Basic info. Oh yeah. I don't need to turn this into one of the divs. Just put it right here. Nice. Right, and now another div with class info field. Email. You guys ain't snatching my real email from this. You can tell from the email address. It's obviously fake and a mockery to those who intend to get my information from this stream. Guys, actually, you know what? The people who are watching this, am I talking like too slow? Is this stream not action-packed enough? Is my tone of voice too passive? If so, I will remedy these errors very quickly. I can. I'm just thinking you guys would prefer me actually doing something cool other than me providing good commentary. So I'm kind of doing a half-baked version of both, you know? So I'm testing this approach out. If you guys don't like it, say something in chat. Actually, you know what? Go to my VOD channel and leave a comment on the videos, because that's pretty much the only way I can reach you guys other than live chat. And none of you guys are on live chat right now, so comments, I guess. Wow, that's looking really good, you know. Wait, why is there 2 email fields? All right. I copy and pasted that so I can make this field now. Screen name Yang Yi. Wait, why is there multiple P elements? Oh, right, of course. The Yang Yi supposed to go here. Stupid me, I forgot. Is that copyrighted music? I don't think so. Alright, we can delete this now. Oh. Right, yes. Beautiful. Wow, this made in China Facebook is looking real good. You know it's made in China because it's 15 years behind the actual Facebook. But we're getting there. Political views. Oh boy. You know, interesting facts about Facebook. Apparently Mark Zuckerberg founded it with the intention of making a dating website. What was Mark Zuckerberg doing making a dating website? I mean, I get it. The college people want to be able to date, but what compared to modern dating websites? Well, I guess when people see this compared to like just regular trying to approach someone for a date, this is real attractive. That's how it blew up so fast. Anyway, because it was originally made as a dating website, they had all these things about looking for this type of person in this relationship status, political views, stuff like that. You know, I'm willing to bet that the political view stuff is for the woman, because who gets actually touchy on that stuff other than women and soy boys? Alright, let's make another feud, and we'll be done with this finally, and our page will look great. Alright, last one. We're almost done. And beautiful. Now we just need to make this stretch over here, which is a pretty easy matter. I'm gonna make another class. Let's see. Dot into a field data. No. What's that? There's a field and there's the information, the text, the answers. No. The value. No. That's too technical. I need something a noob can read my CSS class and understand what it's about. I'm gonna talk aloud to the camera because that usually works. So, what do I do? What class name should I pick? Wait, why aren't my friends on stream yet? Just gonna check a little bit. Weird. My friends must be detained at school or something. Well, hopefully they're in time for another game of cards. I like to play cards with my friends if you don't know that. Alright. So field value. Field information. I already use info a lot. Okay, you know what? We'll just call it value, okay? Value. Or data. Is data a better name than value? Okay, let's call it data. This is the rawest information in this page. So I guess we can call it data. It's fine. Alright, dot info field data. Flex. Wait. Is there any way? No, they're both P's. No, there's no way to identify them. Okay. Flex is 0.6. Oh, wait, no, flex 1. They tried it. Max flex value. Alright. And we're going to give the second P class equals info field data. Does that work now? Let's check. No, okay. If you find the overall thing, it's higher priority than this. I wonder. Alright, listen, I'm gonna have to make 2 classes, folks. Looks like I'm going to have to make 2 classes. But then what do I call this? Yeesh. Oh, 4 viewers, nice. Where does he come from? Hey, welcome guys. To whoever's watching my stream, and on the off chance that you are from the country which I'm streaming from, Taiwan, I'm just gonna say something. 如果你是从台湾的在看我的直播 Oh crap, how do you say follow in Chinese? Dang it. Look, if you guys understand English, okay? And if you guys know where the follow button is, just click it. Alright? Do it as a personal favor to me. I live in Taiwan. Right? That's enough, probably enough to get you to follow me. There are many Taiwanese streamers around here. Okay, hopefully that got your attention. And let's see how the website's doing. Oh yeah, you can make another opening browser. Nice. But I need to keep it like, let's stretch over here. Is there any better way to make them have this space without making 2 classes and giving each of these P elements a class? It's so messy. It's so dang messy. I don't know. Twitch chat, you got any ideas? Okay, I don't think you do. Most of my viewers aren't programmers. But a good portion of them are, so if you're one of them, please, if you have any suggestions. Alright then, I'll just go ahead with making the classes. Let's see, key. Is it key? Or is it field? Okay, I'll call it key. You know what? Super scuff. Info field key, alright. Class equals info field data. And class equals info field key. There we go. Alright, just gonna copy and paste this thing. members. Wait, why did it get so small? Oh, we need to make this wider. We need to make this wider, folks. We need to make this wider. That works. Control V, no. Dang. What about this? Yes, that works. Okay then. Control V. And Control V. Yes, okay. Email's the ultimate test. Control V. Okay, fine. Email's too long. That's fine. Screen name. Wait, why is now why is that so long? Now why is it super duper long? What is up with this? You know what? Let's give it a border. Get an idea of why do they have differing width? What is up with this thing? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna give it a width of 100 pixels. Oh, dang it. That just pushes this thing out. That's not something I want. With defined percentages, 10%, nope. Too small, 30%, 40%, just right. Okay, there we go. They're all nice and lined up. There, that's what I like to see. And all my viewers have gone and they haven't followed me. Hey, sad. Very sad. But I will persevere. I will keep on copying, pasting class info field key into my P elements, and we've got it. Wait, now why isn't this getting pushed over? Oh, again? What's up with this? Why? 40%. Okay, we need to add the border again, folks. We need to add the border again. Border to the rescue. Oh, what the heck? Oh, I know. Wait. That doesn't help. Even if I delete info field data, that doesn't help. Weird. Okay, what? Let's put info field data back, but then make the width 60%. Oh, I see. The width doesn't have to 60%, which is why the info field data is pushing this thing back. Okay, then what if we make it 55%? Does everything work smoothly? Let's check. I want to see if it fixes the issues in the lower parts. In the parts in the fields down below. Wait, that just disappeared. Oh, I see. That thing's being pushed down. Because there's not enough width. Sheesh. That's troubling. I don't know. I think it'll work pretty well for, yeah, the other fields. I'm just going to add for the other fields, and I'm gonna, oh no, dang it, I do not want, okay, you know what, I think this is a bad idea. We need to find a better way. But what way? How did Mark Zuckerberg do this in 2 weeks? That's so fast. That's super fast. Okay, let's see if this way I can keep the thing going, playing while I'm using other tabs. Yep, it's working. Okay. Yeah, 2 viewers. Okay, this was Facebook in 2004. Let's draw some inspiration from this, alright? Let's just look around. Wait, what's this, MySpace? Wait, is this just a library of old web design museum? Okay. They don't show anything other than homepage, though, which is pretty annoying. Oh man, Facebook 2005 homepage was kind of ugly. That's Flickr. That's Wiki Contact. What the hell is that thing? Mabologma. Oh, are they all dating websites? I don't know. Okay, this is no help. Let's just keep staring blankly at our code. maybe look at it in browser for some inspiration. Nope, not helping. Come on, where are my friends to help me think this over when I need them? Well, to be honest, they were here last night when I needed them, so yeah, I'm gonna give them some leeway. It's looking pretty good right now. Is this stupid thing? You know what? Let's look at the reference image. How? Oh, it was way wider. We need to make this wider, folks. Yeah, you know what? Maybe that would be a good solution. Let's see. Let's go to CSS for body. Width 800px. The big expansion. Right, how's that look? Wait, is this like live update yet? Wait, it is. So that's it? Okay, I need to shorten this email. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that looks good. Alright. Let's see. Wait, can't we just make... If we fit this P element into a small space, should I just fold up? Wait, did I set a specific height for the information div? Let's see. Info column. No, I gave it maximum height. Wait a minute. I give it maximum height. Why isn't it maximum height? Uh-oh. That's right. Wait, why does it wrap around? Well, let's go back to this. Do inspect element. Okay. We go to the profile div. Oh, okay, no, that's profile. And then info. There. No, it's wraparound profile, right? I give it max width, but it's just not max width. So that's weird. Well, that's a secondary issue right now. Right now, I need to make this fit over here. Wait, did I add too many inches? No, yes, it's supposed to be wider. Okay, let's add more width. Let's give it 900px width. Is that enough? Or is that too much? Actually, no, that looks just right. Oh man, and why is this picture frame? Okay, let's go back to the definition of the profile image. Width 250px. There we go. I gave a very specific command. I made it very specific. Oh, that's for the image. As for the div wrapping the image, what was that? Where's the link? There we go. Profile image, profile div content. Padding 4px. That's all. That's it. Then why this? Why this? Okay, here's a hypothesis. Maybe I define the width of this, the picture, the status div in a percentage of the profile div, and I define the picture div to be 100% width, in which case it would stretch over here. So let's look at the status div. Where is it? Status column, height 100% display inline block. Okay. No, that's not it. What about the profile div? Display inline block. No, that doesn't work either. What could be the cause, folks? What could be the cause? Well, let's inspect element again. Let's go to image and see the width of the actual image. Right, we'll add status. Okay, that works. Status column, profile image. And let's see. Okay, so the image is just only here. But what about the wrapping div? And that's it. Let's look at the wrapping div, folks. Let's see, shall we? Well, why don't they show me the little map they always have? That's very neat. Oh wait, it looks like one of my views is disconnecting. Let me just check this. Okay, no, it's working. It's working. Weird. Maybe. Oh, layers. Yes, layers. Oh, here we go. Alright, so that's not padding. It's not border. It's not margin or position. It's this. Why is the width of profile div content so skewed? Wait, is this the only profile div content? No. This is it too. Oh. That's very interesting. Okay, you know what? I have a little suspicion. Why don't we go here? Give profile div content width. Minimum. How do you... Wait a minute. What's happening here? Oh, wait. Remove the width. Padding is no again. How to set width to minimum value. Okay, you know what? Why don't we change the display to inline block? Doesn't work either. What is going on? Why? Alright, you know what? Let's see. What is the div covering this? Here's the image. Here's the profile div content. Profile title, yes, and here's the profile div. Okay, let's go to the definition for profile div. Width, 100%. What if I move this? Okay, no, we want 100%. Alright, then what's the div wrapping that div? The status column. Alright, let's go to CSS for that. Where's the status column? Here. Display inline block. Okay, let's do width 100%. Oh my god. Wait. Why is it like that? How do I make it close to the image? Okay, we've isolated a problem. We need to make status column smaller, less wide, but no, you know what? Let's just do the good old-fashioned way. Let's set it 260 px. Yeah, that's right. What about 254? No, 56, 7, 8, 58. Yeah, that looks right. I don't know, that's kind of scuff. I think you're supposed to use percentages or something, but this will do because we're making the Chinese knockoff version of Facebook, folks. And I think back in Zuckerberg's day, they used px to define the width of things. So it's fine. It's fine. It meets my standard. Now we need to solve this. We need to squeeze this over here. Wait. Is the distance between this and this? Yep. We need to make this less distance. How do I reduce the width of that? What's the name of that class again? Info field key. Okay, info field key. There we go. Width needs to be 30% now. Does that match the width, the distance in this picture? No, a bit smaller, 25%. Width equals 25%. Okay, that's about right actually. Alright, we'll leave it at that. And meanwhile this, why is it not working? What if I set in specific pixels? What if I made 200px? Nope. For some reason, this just won't push over here. Very strange. What is up with this p element? It's perfectly normal. But then why? Well, one thing I noticed is this is the only p element that spans 2 lines. What if I add a break here? Yes, that works perfectly. Oh my. Alright, guess what? I'm a genius. I fixed it. Okay then. We fixed the issue we set out to, folks. That's a pretty big win for me. Because usually, I don't accomplish what I set out to do at all. Well, I'm very happy about this. And not happy about the amount of subscribers, the amount of followers I got on this stream. But never mind, never mind. It's fine. I'll just play a pass follow to make myself feel better. Okay, I think we can remove the border now. Yep. Sure looks like Facebook, huh, folks? Why are these all links though? Well, we'll fill out the fields, and then we're gonna make them the ones that need to be links. Also, no, the margin for the p elements is enough. It's the right amount. I still feel like there's something off. What is it? Oh yes, the edit button in basic info. I'll get right to that. Okay, so if I remember right, how did I add the edit button here? Well, we made it class profile title and made it edit. Yeah, the thing is there's a background color thing here. No problem, I'll just add a specific background color for that. Okay. Extended info. Alright, where's that thing? There we go. Actually, you know what, guys? I'm gonna go to the bathroom a little bit. Just wait for me, alright? Big, exciting stream. You guys don't want to miss a second of this. Be right back. Oof. I'm back, folks, after what was an unnecessary long bathroom delay. Now I can be back to streaming exciting content to my 2 viewers, both of whom are screens which I have on. Jesus. Why is nobody watching me? This is depressing. Well, I know I'm providing exciting content, so that's some consolation for me. Alright, I gotta switch the scene back to gameplay. Okay. So now we add edit buttons for this. Is it too long? Oh, no, it's the same width. By the way, in case you guys didn't notice, I removed all of the stuff. all the stuff about college, because none of me or my friends not have ever gone to college. You guys might not know this, but that's the truth. So that information will be relevant for me and my friends. And speaking of which, where is my friend? Where's the guy? You know, I'm just gonna check Discord. And then wait, did something happen behind the scenes? Nope, nothing happened. It's just my stream. Yep, just as I thought. Alright, back to the stream. We add the edit button, and then we make this longer. This list longer. Where is that? BP. Right, here we go. Account information, folks. Yes. Wait, why did it set my div back 1 March? No idea. And copy and paste this, see? We can delete this, paste it here, and then put a P with that thing, edit. Right, and now we just wrap it in div class equals, you know what? What's the class of this? The title thing, profile title. Right, class equals profile title. Yes, we're just gonna copy that. What are we gonna call it? Right. And then we're going to call it profile field title. Nice. And we remove the background color thing. By the way, there's a neighborhood broadcast going on in case you're wondering where the noise is all coming from. I think something about the earthquake that happened earlier today. By the way, folks, in case you guys didn't know, there was this huge there were just a bunch of earthquakes from yesterday to today. It's probably big on international news or something, but there's been huge earthquakes in Taitung or Hualien. It's a little district in southeastern Taiwan. Anyway, I live in a city like that's the width of Taiwan on the other side of Taiwan, but I still felt the shakes. You know, my whole building shook. Like the whole thing went like this, which was very interesting. Scared me a lot, and it happened again and again and again and again, several times today actually. But I think it's dying down. Nobody was here in Kaohsiung, so that's good. I'm starting to feel that earthquakes are overrated, you know, folks, because I felt a bunch of shaking, but nothing actually happened. So yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Add the class. Oh, hello, Mom. Profile field title. Profile field title. It's gone. Oh, right. Color white. Remove that too. There we go. Perfect. Just Control C this in here. Basic info. Control C this here. Extended info. There, perfect. And we've got the edit button. Classic. Oh yeah, it should be blue. I'll make it a link later. Oh, I forgot to... Wait, it's supposed to be my profile instead of profile? Oh, it's supposed to be my... Everything's supposed to be my... Okay, I'm gonna change that. I can't believe I didn't notice that before. Of course. That's why it felt... Those tags felt weirdly too short. Nah, I'm not gonna add... Well, actually, I will. Where's that thing? Like div class equals profile field title. Just put it in here. And a P with edit. Nice. Except it looks weird. Just gonna go here. Display equals selector, so I should be able to do justify content center. Okay, what about a line item center? That looks better. But it's still a weird space. Why is that, I wonder? Is that supposed to be here? I think it's wider on the top than it's on the bottom. I remember there was this argument you could put in that fixed this thing, so let's check. How to fix. Yeah, I remember the search I did for this was P and button not straight HTML. Is it box sizing? No, that's not it. I know it's not it. CSS floor align, something like that. Vertical line, yes, vertical line. I think it's vertical line. Let's see. Vertical line center. How do you do vertical line? Dang it, that doesn't work. Display and like, oh, does that work? Oh, but no, I want to keep it. What if? Yeah, justify content space between the line item center. Dang it, but it's slower. You know what? Why don't we just leave it like that? Okay, I'm tired. I'm tired today. Let's just leave it like that. And look at my viewer account just to reassure. No, nobody's actually watching me. Alright, what else can we edit to make it as similar to this as possible? Oh wait, the last update thing. Oh, I actually duplicated last update. Where's that? Here. There we go. Yes, there's an email. The status, and then gender, and then year. But that's for college students. What do I put in the place of that? Concentration. Flown high school. None of these are relevant to teenagers. Okay, no, we're just gonna put gender in there. Alright, you know what? That's pretty much it for today. I've done what I said I would do, so probably time to end the stream. Right. Good night, everybody. See you on Tuesday's stream. Hopefully it'll be more interesting than this one. And hopefully more people will watch it than this one.